Hey gamers, in this quick video I will show you how to connect your Battle.net account to your Steam account, whether you are playing Overwatch 2 or any other compatible game. Linking these accounts is super simple. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Battle.net account. Head over to account.battle.net and sign in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Connections tab in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to see all the platforms you can link with Battle.net. Now scroll down to find Steam in the list of options. Click the plus connect button next to it. A new window will pop up asking you to log in to your Steam account. Enter your Steam user name and password and then authorize the connection. After you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected back to battle.net. You should now see Steam listed under your connected accounts. And that's it. Your battle.net account is now linked to Steam. This makes is e- this makes it easier to manage your game's stats and friends across both platforms. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Thanks for watching.